The quest for excellence has reached its highest form. One strengthened by spirit and lightened by ambition. Crafted from 130 layers of fused carbon fiber to be as unique as you are. 3 modern tool watches, the champions of your passions. The MARQ Carbon Collection.
Hello. For over 3 decades, Garmin has been proud to support the world's most driven individuals in their pursuits. Our reputation for durability, precision, and reliability is built on the exploits of those who have trusted our products in the most challenging places on Earth. Through our customers' quests, we're inspired to push beyond the limits of today and innovate for the possibilities of tomorrow. Today, I am thrilled to introduce to you our latest innovation in the modern tool watch category. Just like those who spend years preparing every aspect of their epic adventures, our engineering team has worked tirelessly for nearly a decade to bring the MARQ Carbon Collection to life. I am sure you will find it stunning in every detail and agree that the quest for excellence has reached its highest form.
The creation of a modern tool watch begins by cultivating the Earth's finest resources, then applying the most advanced technological processes. It's where perfection and performance unite, machined from 130 layers of fused carbon fiber that's been bonded to find new strength, creating a unique pattern for every watch. A commitment to perfection through unprecedented precision. Built for those who never compromise and tested to their limits so you can find yours. The champions of your passions. The quest for excellence has reached its highest form. The MARQ Carbon Collection.
As you can see, an amazing amount of care and precision has gone into crafting these watches. Over many years, we've refined and tested our fused carbon fiber to create something amazingly light, strong, and beautiful. But before we get into too many details, let me give you some context. Carbon fiber has become the material of choice for many high-performance applications. Its high strength-to-weight ratio makes it ideal for those looking for maximum performance with minimal weight. Designers often choose it because it can be formed into various shapes and has beautiful textures and patterns. Engineers choose it because strength and stiffness can be concentrated in areas where it's needed most. Quite simply, carbon fiber gives you a lighter weight with high rigidity to give people a competitive edge. Carbon is an extremely challenging material when it comes to wireless signals. It absorbs wireless energy and can distort GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi signals. Capturing and decoding all these signals in a small watch on your wrist is already quite a challenge, not to mention all the different types of movement our users generate. Our goal is always to provide precise data, even when running in the rain or hiking in deep canyons. Years of development went into designing a new antenna architecture that could coexist with carbon fiber. New manufacturing methods and production processes had to be developed to enable the integration of these wireless antennas with our carbon fiber watch body. Today, MARQ Carbon Edition passes all of our most demanding GPS and wireless tests, providing precise positional data in the toughest of conditions. Most existing carbon fiber materials work well on a large scale. Think F1 cars or bike frames. The features on a watch, by contrast, are extremely small and precise and require a different approach. When we started working on our carbon fiber watch, we had a unique set of requirements. It had to be extremely tough, lightweight, and comfortable on the wrist with a striking appearance. We worked closely with our suppliers to meet these requirements and created a custom material that we call fused carbon fiber, which is 62% lighter than titanium. We start with unidirectional monofilament carbon fiber strands. Over 24,000 individual strands are funneled and deposited onto a thin sheet. This allows us to align the carbon strands to the exact orientation we need in each part of the watch. 130 sheets of this carbon fiber are manually rotated into place to maximize strength in certain areas of the watch that need it most. The stack of sheets is then placed in a special press that uses heat and pressure to fuse them together into a solid block of carbon fiber. During the fusing process, the block is also bent into the general shape of the watch housing. Bending the layers of carbon fiber to match the angle of the watch lugs provides enhanced durability in the event of an impact. This solid block allows us to create an extremely strong and resilient material that we can craft into a high-performance watch. Transforming the fused carbon fiber block into a finished watch housing is a multi-step process. Carbon fiber is notoriously difficult to machine. The individual carbon fibers are very strong and abrasive, requiring hardened polycrystalline diamond machining bits with more frequent changes as they wear down. The machining also needs to be done at slower speeds to cut through it without chipping the material. The watch housing alone takes 8 hours to shape into its final form. We then further refine the surface quality by submerging it in an enclosure of ceramic beads. As the beads vibrate, they remove any surface imperfections. We take the utmost care to achieve a remarkably smooth and precise finish. MARQ is a collection of authentic tool watches that can be used in extreme environments. Our users are operating in difficult conditions from ocean saltwater to exposed mountain terrain. Drops, knocks, water, wind, and sun are all on the menu. Our watches take a lot of abuse, and we test accordingly. We evaluated and abandoned many different types of carbon fiber as we tested them to their limits. Compared to standard carbon fiber layups, we designed fused carbon fiber to be strong in every direction at a sub-millimeter scale. The custom carbon fiber alignment and spacing gives superior toughness and strength needed for resistance to drops and impacts. This gives our customers the confidence that the watch can take an impact from any angle while we're remaining extremely light on the wrist. The rear case, buttons, and outer bezel are made of grade 5 titanium. Grade 5 titanium is more than 2 times harder than pure titanium and is used in the medical and aerospace industries for its superior performance. Our titanium parts are coated with a super hard DLC coating that provides even more scratch resistance. We machine our lens out of sapphire crystal for maximum toughness and longevity. Our tool watches are constantly being used in difficult environments, and we've designed them to survive. 2 words guided our design process for MARQ: athletic and technical. Both of these concepts are present throughout the design, from the overall form to the fine details. The goal was to create a beautiful carbon pattern that was clearly visible, but also restrained. Our fused carbon fiber has graceful spirals on the bezel and lugs. The layers of carbon catch light at different angles, creating a beautifully subtle lighting effect that changes as you move the watch. On the side of the watch, you can clearly see the many layers that have been stacked and fused together. This unique layered effect creates a memorable look that stands out in a sea of woven carbon fiber. The Enter button has a metal highlight color that instantly lets you know which button to push to start your adventure or race. It has a sporty feel and blends into the surrounding button guard geometry for a sleek, athletic look. The curving pattern feels athletic, while the fine layers of carbon feel technical. This combination of athletic and technical helps define the unique look of MARQ Carbon editions. Today we're introducing 3 new watches to the MARQ family in our fused carbon fiber material: Commander, Golfer, and Athlete. Let's start with the Commander. MARQ Commander Carbon Edition is a tactical watch built for the most critical missions. It has a stealthy design with matte black details. Our fused carbon fiber is paired with carbon gray DLC to create a non-reflective and dark look that blends in with any attire. The Commander has a micro knurling on the outer surface of the buttons for extra grip. This gives you that extra bit of confidence when operating with gloves or in wet conditions. The bezel has 24-hour UTC markings for quick universal time reference, commonly used across the aviation industry and the military. The Commander has a nylon strap with a randomized pattern that complements the fused carbon fiber aesthetic. It is woven in the south of France by skilled artisans who've been practicing their craft for generations. Our collaboration with them started with the idea to create an elegant nylon weave that was also water-resistant and durable. More than 600 yarn ends are woven together to create the strap. The weave is very tight and dense, but has a unique construction that allows it to be soft and flexible at the same time. This helps it repel water on initial contact and has a seamless 360-degree edge for improved comfort. It is complemented by flush-mounted hardware for a modern and precise look. In addition to the hardware, MARQ Commander is packed with tactical features. It can be used day or night, as we've adjusted the display to be compatible with night vision goggles. Stealth mode keeps the watch operational, but stops storing and sharing the user's GPS position and disables wireless connectivity and communication. The pre-installed Applied Ballistics ultralight solver provides aiming solutions for long-range marksmanship. It can help you zero in on your shot, accounting for wind and other variables from up to 800 yards away. If security becomes an issue, the watch's kill switch wipes the device of all user memory. We've also built in core aviation features for even more tactical capability. Users now have access to a worldwide airport database and aviation-specific maps for flying with full airport weather conditions. MARQ Commander is the most capable tactical watch we've ever built. Next in the lineup, we have MARQ Golfer. It creates an elevated golf aesthetic with the fused carbon fiber case, complemented by pine green accents across the watch. Our domed sapphire crystal is extremely durable and highlights our 1 through 18 hole markings, which are used throughout your round of golf to show your progress. The Golfer features a new leather FKM rubber hybrid watch strap. On the front, we use a supple perforated black leather inspired by golf gloves. When we started working on this strap, we wanted to address two issues: staining and flexibility. Sweat can rapidly discolor and saturate leather. To address this, we added a pine green FKM rubber lining that resists staining and sweat to help keep the leather in the best condition possible. In addition to creating a barrier between your skin, it also increases the flexibility of the watch strap significantly compared to our previous all-leather strap. The leather and FKM rubber are joined together with pine green stitching to ensure a strong bond. The result is a beautifully crafted, sweat and stain-resistant hybrid leather strap that golfers can enjoy on and off the green. To help golfers take their game to the next level, MARQ MARQ Carbon Edition is preloaded with more than 43,000 courses from around the world. Our virtual caddy feature provides players with a club recommendation based on wind, elevation, and their swing data, while a new shot dispersion chart quickly shows what hazards may be in play depending on the club choice. The enhanced Plays Like Distance feature lets golfers know how far each shot is truly playing, with yardage adjusted for elevation changes and environmental conditions. MARQ MARQ Carbon Edition is quite simply the most stunning and powerful golf watch available. Finally, we're introducing the MARQ Athlete Carbon Edition. Users can track all their favorite activities with preloaded sports profiles for trail running, swimming, hiking, rowing, indoor climbing, and more, along with easy-to-follow animated workouts for cardio and strength training. The Athlete has a sleek design with integrated silicone rubber straps and bold amp yellow details. These yellow details help highlight our VO2 max and recovery time scales printed right on the lens. This lets you check your overall aerobic fitness and how much you should be resting between hard workouts at a glance. Our silicone rubber straps are extremely comfortable with just the right amount of ventilation and stretch to keep you performing at your best. Advanced metrics like endurance score and hill score help athletes measure their overall endurance and capability for running uphill, while a training readiness score looks at sleep quality, recovery, training load, and more to help determine whether it's a good day to go hard or take it easy. Runners can prepare for their next race by using Garmin Coach. Simply select your preferred running coach and set a race goal, and you'll receive a custom training plan. These workouts adjust to get harder or easier based on your performance in the plan. You can check your progress right on your watch face as your next daily suggested workout is prominently displayed next to other training information. MARQ Athlete Carbon Edition is the ultimate multi-sport tool watch with cutting-edge performance and powerful training features to push you further than ever before. While we build each MARQ watch with focused features, they all share some pretty amazing capabilities in navigation, health, and connected features. Each MARQ Carbon is equipped with multi-band GPS for superior positioning accuracy. While accuracy is important, we've also prioritized battery life with something we call SAT IQ. SAT IQ technology is a smart algorithm that automatically switches between L1 and L5 frequencies based on your GPS reception to improve your battery life. In wide open areas, only the low power L1 frequency is engaged. When you enter more challenging terrain like deep canyons or dense tree cover, MARQ Carbon will automatically turn on the high power L5 frequency for better positioning. When the terrain opens up again, it turns off. This smart technology gives you precise location while saving precious battery. Another important aspect of navigation is the quality of maps that come preloaded on your MARQ watch. Our TopoActive maps are optimized for outdoor activities and include thousands of points of interest, summits, lakes, and other natural features to give you the best route possible to get you to your destination. The Carbon line includes all of the most advanced features from our outdoor and wellness watches. It also has a whole suite of motivating fitness features, from insights on how you're sleeping to guidance on how to help minimize your jet lag while traveling. It also has all the standard connected features you would expect, like Garmin Pay contactless payments, onboard music storage, and smart notifications when paired with a smartphone. From the most advanced training features to everyday convenience and general health, the Carbon collection has you covered. The MARQ Carbon collection combines our best technology with our new fused carbon fiber material. 62% lighter than titanium and extremely tough, fused carbon fiber is a huge leap forward in being able to design the lightest and most capable tool watch in the MARQ family. Many technical breakthroughs across our antenna, mechanical, and design teams were required to optimize it for such a small size. Fused carbon fiber is strong in every direction at a sub-millimeter scale, which sets it apart from other carbon fiber materials. It's uniquely engineered to provide you with the most capable and beautiful MARQ watch to date.